jungle flame. Ixora coccinea, also known as jungle flame, jungle geranium or flame of the woods, is a species of flowering plant in the family Rubiaceae. Jungle flame is a small, dense, multi-branched, glabrous evergreen shrub that typically grows to about 4-8 feet in height, but is capable of reaching up to 12 feet in height. The dwarf or miniature varieties, which are also popular, reach approximately 3 feet in height. This plant is highly regarded for its vibrant and colorful flowers, making it a popular choice in gardens, parks, and landscapes. It is a common flowering shrub native to southern India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, widely cultivated in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, and Thailand. Ixora is often used as a focal point in gardens, border plantings, mass plantings, and landscaping projects. It can also be grown in pots and larger containers, adding color and vitality to patios and balconies. Due to its lush beauty and adaptability in warm climates, Ixora is a popular choice for adding a splash of color and life to outdoor spaces. This species can also be shaped into bonsai. The ripe Ixora fruit is edible, although it's not a major food source. Additionally, the flowers possess utility as a condiment. In regions like India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand, the flowers are consumed and utilized for their flavoring properties. Ixora species, including Ixora coccinea, are extensively utilized in Asian medical traditions. Different parts like leaves, flowers, stems, and roots are employed in various formulations, serving as antiseptics, analgesic, and treatments for ailments like dysentery, fever, headache, and colic. In certain religious practices, Ixora flowers are utilized as offerings in worship rituals dedicated to Shiva. The scientific name, Ixora, is a Portuguese version of Ixora, which means Lord in Sanskrit, referring to the god Shiva. Alternately, you can read that Ixora is from Iswari, one of the names of the goddess Parvati, to whom Ixora is also considered sacred. The species epithet, coccinea, means scarlet and is a reference to the blooms. Here, it is possible to observe various common names attributed to the Ixora species, as well as synonyms in foreign languages. Here it is possible to observe some characteristics of the species. Ixora stem. Stem is herbaceous, green, and aerial, erect, branched, cylindrical, woody and differentiating into nodes and internodes. This structure has the function of supporting leaves and flowers. Ixora leaf. Leaves are sessile, opposite, decussate, glossy, simple, leathery, ovate to obovate with cordate or obtuse bases, apiculate tips. The leaves are bronzy when young, later turning to a gleaming dark green. Ixora flower. The flowers typically have a tubular shape with 4 petals that open up to form a star-like structure. Ixora inflorescence. The flowers are clustered in dense, spherical or conical inflorescences, and come in a variety of striking colors, such as red, orange, yellow, pink, and white. Ixora fruit. The fruit is a globose berry, measuring about 0.5 centimeters in diameter. It starts soft green and turns dark red or purplish black as it matures, with a persistent calyx. Ixora seed. The fruit when fully developed has 2 seeds. The propagation of the Ixora can be done through various methods, including seeds, stem cuttings, and air layering. Ixora can be susceptible to pests and diseases such as scale insects and fungal issues. Therefore, regular monitoring and appropriate measures for control are important. Ixora flowers are long-lasting and attract hummingbirds, butterflies, and insects. Mature Ixora fruits also attract birds for feeding, which aids in seed dispersal. See also some images of the species.